Yes. Yes, sir, I understand. I do understand I have to reach the quota today. Yes, 5 new customers to bring in their computer for repair. What? $100 bonus? Absolutely, sir. Yes. Yes. Upsell. Yes. Thank you, sir. I will do the best. Thank you.
Сделал окончательный выбор в пользу Алана Бзаку. Тут моментально итальянцы просачивают.
Hello, tech support. Yes, sirs. I'm tech support. I'm here to help you through your computer inconsistencies and problems. What is the problem? Yes. Yes, what is your username? Yes. 1 minute, I will access your computer. Let me put you on hold for a second, sir. Yes.
Все-таки успел помешать Балотелли Кирилл Набабкин. Очень тяжелый у него. Зырянов. Широков. Есть передача, бить нужно!
Yeah! Yeah!
Открывает счет.
Hello, sirs. Yes, I am diagnosing your system right now. I have accessed your computer mainframe. I'm looking at the analyzation system right now. It appears you have 3 viruses on your computer. I will put you on hold again. Yes. Yes, sir. I am diagnosing your system. Yes, sir. It will be about 2 minutes. Please hold again.
Налево можно было, конечно, поаккуратнее воспользоваться такой ситуацией.
Ah!
Сейчас удар!
Yeah! Yeah!
Грубейшие ошибки итальянской обороны. Роман Широков удваивает преимущество нашей сборной.
Hello, sirs. Yes, I have found the problem with your computer. You have to follow the following steps. It's very easy. I will guide you through the problem. Yes. All right, sir. Please go to your desktop. You're at the desktop, yes. Okay. Now follow the following procedures. Control-Alt-Delete. Yes. Control-Alt-Delete. Control-Alt-Delete. I will repeat, I will spell out to you, sir, the keys. Sorry, sirs. CTRL, and then the next key beside the funny key is ALT key, and then move over to the keyboard on the upside, it says delete, DELETE. Plus those in combination, and you will get Windows Task Manager. I will put you on hold, I am accessing your computer right now.
Итальянцы свистят по адресу собственной сборной. Наши празднуют третий мяч. Давайте еще раз посмотрим. Маджо опять шот.
Yes!
Просто в собственной штрафной.
Yes! Yes, sir. Control-Alt-Delete. All 3 of them in together. Yes. Yes, what do you see now? Yes, sir. Yes, go to Processes tab. Yes, and now I need you to do the following procedure. I need you to click on Explorer.exe. Yes. Click that, and then End Process at the bottom right of your dialog box. Yes, sirs. What happens now to your computer? Everything disappeared. It's not running properly. Okay, I found solution for your computer. It is broken. You have to bring into service center. Yes, sirs. I understand your frustration, sirs. Yes. We will have tech department fix for you soon. Yes, sirs. It is a virus on your computer. Trojan.exe virus, it says here, sir. It is Trojan. It's like a horse, but only electrical horse. A digital horse that goes in your computer. Yes. Yes, sir. We will fix for you. Bring to the office. That is not covered under warranty. No, sirs. It's not covered under warranties. Trojan viruses are specifically not covered under computers. Warranties. Yes, computer warranties. Together. Yes. That is policies. Yes, sirs. Okay. Your reference number is 545202. Yes. 54502. Yes. Yes, sirs. Bring it to computer center. We will fix for you. Okay. You have a nice day.
Делают футболисты сборной России. Еще раз смотрим. Широков.